Compatibility. USB wall plug for iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Max, 14 Pro Max, SE 2022, 13, 13 Mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 12, 12 Mini, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, SE 2020, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR, XS, XS Max, X, 8766S Plus. iPad. Samsung Galaxy S22, S21, S20 Note 20, 10, 9, 8S10, ES10, S9, S8, A10e, A20, A50, A70, A11, A21, A51, A71, A12, A32, A42, A52, A72, A03, SA13, A53, A73. LG Stylo 6, 5, 4. G8, G7, V60, V50, V40, ThinQ, V30, V20, G6, G5. Moto G8, G7 PowerPlay Plus G6, Z4, Z3. Google Pixel 6a, 6 Pro 654 A 43A3, 2, XL. OnePlus 10, 9, 8, 7T Pro 76. Powerful iPhone charger box. Input: AC 100 to 240 volts. Output: District of Columbia 5V, 1A. Powerful one-port iPhone charger adapter can rapid charge your smartphone and tablets at full speed. Save your time. Safety guarantee. Safety certified. The iPhone wall charging brick made of fireproof materials for extra safety, overvoltage protection, temperature control and more combine to create the ultimate safety system, letting you charge with total peace of mind. Premium design. Compact, lightweight design is ideal for charging your phone anywhere you like, at home, in office or travel. Smaller than a golf ball, easy to carry and store. Solid PC shell has a good drop-resistant function and with smudge-proof, anti-scratch and anti-slide features. Pure white color for everyone. What you get: 5-pack iPhone wall charger adapter, white. Reliable and friendly customer service response within 24 hours. If there is any problem with our iPhone charging cube, please just feel free to contact us by email. We will help you solve it immediately. Top reviews from the United States. It's my block. I ordered these blocks because they are different colors. I shared them with my family members so they would have their own and be able to identify their particular block by its color. They work well and so far we are all pleased.